wanted to do a quick video sharing a project that I've been working on for a couple of years now, and just in case anyone mentions it, yes, I know this perhaps isn't entirely steampunk. Some of these components are a little bit more modern than Victorian age, obviously, but to be honest, I didn't really know what else to call it. This was originally inspired by a tested.com video in which Adam Savage set out to replicate the Hellboy mecha glove that you can see here. If you've seen Hellboy, you may remember Rasputin the monk summoning Hellboy from the beyond using this glove. It's a fantastic prop, and I was really amazed at the level of detail that went into it, particularly when Adam Savage was replicating it for his own personal collection. And it got me thinking it'd be really cool to do something like that. But what I wanted to do was to try and include as much detail on each finger as there is on the entire glove that you can see in the picture. So this is made out of various found objects. I began by cutting up some lengths of 28mm copper pipe and then soldering various components to them. You can see some of the early stages in the photo here. I then basically just went through my parts box and started trying to find bits and pieces that would fit well with the overall look. So there are various pieces in here from hard drives and from old VHS players. I also spent quite a lot of time soldering together some small brass lenses almost. They're made from brass cylinders and the ends are made from small portholes intended for model ships. I've also got some other found objects on the back of the wrist here. So these coils are from tattoo machines, and as you can see I've also got some Nixie tubes here. There's actually quite a lot of glass on the back of this, so I don't think I'm actually going to end up wearing it at an event. I think it's probably quite fragile at this stage. But I think it will look quite good on a display, perhaps on a mannequin arm. It's not quite finished yet, so as you can see there's quite a lot of space for other bits and pieces. I quite like the two large capacitors that are up on the forearm. I actually got these from an old record player, and then they've got some quite nice sort of vintage text on them, which I thought looked quite cool. The harness itself is made from fake leather, which I've just sewn together with a sewing machine. There's also some padding on the inside just to make it a little bit more comfortable to wear. I think it probably needs another finger as well, so I'll need to solder up some more bits and pieces and make something for the middle finger, I think. It also needs a ton more cabling and any other bits and pieces I can find. I began by making the finger pieces, and they actually sat in a box for several years until I eventually recently thought, actually I should do a bit more work on that. So I pulled it out again and added some more components. I haven't worked on it for the last few months, so I think I'm probably going to come back to it again at some stage. However, it's currently just sat in a cupboard, so I thought I may as well get it out and make a video and show everybody, because what's the point in having it otherwise? Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick look. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.